Hi guys, this is Pawan Kumar. Today I want to say about engineering mathematics 2 for diploma second years. This is related to the all branches. Today I want to say about the important essays in engineering mathematics 2. This is the important question which I have said today, which I have to say today. This is related to the 11th essay starting bit A. These three are belongs to the same question, but he will ask in three different ways. Evaluate integral sine power phi theta into cos cube theta into d theta. Now comes to second step. Evaluate integral sine power 5x into cos cube x into dx. Now comes to third step. Integrate sine power 5x into cos cube x with respect to x. W or tx means with respect to x. అంటే దీన్ని విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ ఎక్స్తో ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. These three are same, but he have given in three different ways. This is in theta, this is in axis, this is in integrate. Here he gave integrate spelling, but here symbol. These three are belongs to the same question. Don't worry and don't confuse by seeing these three different types of questions. These three are belongs to the same question. First of all, you have to write what is given. Solution: given integral sine power phi theta into cos cube theta into d theta. This is given. Write given. For this given, he will give 1 mark or 2 marks. So please write given to any question. We have written given. This is in the form of integral sine power mx cos power nx with respect to x. This is in the form of sine power mx into cos power nx into dx. ఇది ఈ ఫామ్లో ఉంది. We know that this form. Sine means sine, x means theta, cos means cos, x means theta, d theta means dx. With respect to x here with respect to theta, where m is equals to, here m is equals to 5, so m is equals to 5 and n is equals to 3. Here m greater than n, that means m అనేది n కన్నా పెద్దది. 5 greater than 3, 5 అనేది 3 కన్నా పెద్దది. అలా ఉన్నప్పుడు మనకు ఒక రూల్, when m greater than n put t is equals to sin x. ఎప్పుడైతే m అనేది n కన్నా పెద్దదో then we have to put t is equals to sin x. అదేవిధంగా when n greater than m, n ఎప్పుడైతే m కన్నా పెద్దదో అప్పుడు మనం put t is equals to cos x. అప్పుడు t is equals to cos x అనేది తీసుకోవాలి. ఎప్పుడైతే n m కన్నా లార్జ్ అప్పుడు put t is equals to cos x. Now comes to here, we in the sum here m is greater than the n, so we have taken put t is equals to sin x. Now differentiate on both sides. This t is equals to sin x. Differentiate. Here he gave theta, so here we put t is equals to sin theta and differentiate with respect to theta. Here this question is given in theta, so we are differentiating with respect to theta. When the question is given in x, we have to differentiate with respect to x. On both sides means d by d theta into t is equals to d by d theta into sin theta. Between these two there is an into. Here t by 1, d into t dt, d theta into 1 d theta is equals to, we know that the formula derivation of sin theta cos theta. Now we want from this equation d theta is equals to, here d theta dividing, when comes to RHS it multiplies the cos theta, so therefore d theta is equals to cos theta into d theta. we want d theta is equals to, so cos theta comes to LHS. Here this is doing multiplication. When comes to LHS, it divides the d theta, so d theta by cos theta. Now comes to the question, integral sin power 5 theta into cos power 3 theta d theta. Now we have to substitute the value of d theta in this place. D theta is equal to dt by cos theta. We have to write this in this d theta place. Integral sin power 5 theta into cos cube theta. In the d theta place, we have to substitute d theta by dt by cos theta. Here there is one cos, here there is 3 cos theta, so we have to cancel this. One cos theta here, one cos theta. Cos cube theta means there is 3 cos thetas. Sin power 5 theta means there is 5 sin thetas. Here comes to cos cube theta, so we have to write this as cos theta into cos theta into cos theta, d theta by cos theta. Have to cancel cos theta and cos theta. Here there is 2 cos theta, so sin power 5 theta into cos square theta. By this way it comes as cos square theta. Here cos cube theta means 3 times cos theta అనేది ఇంటూ చేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ పవర్లో 3 ఉంది కాబట్టి 3 times ఇంటూ d theta by cos theta. ఇక్కడ cos theta ఇక్కడ cos theta క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే ఇంకా 2 cos thetas ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి cos square theta అయింది. ఇంకా మనకి dt ఉంది కాబట్టి dt. We know that the value of cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Now substitute 1 minus sin square theta in cos square theta. Sin theta into cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta. This can be written in the cos square theta place. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Now here we have to write 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. We have put t is equals to x in starting. T is equals to put t is equals to sin theta. T is equals to sin theta అని మనం స్టార్టింగ్లో అనుకున్నాం. సో we have to write sin square theta is equals to t square. Sin t is equals to sin theta అని అనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ sin square theta కాబట్టి t square అని రాసుకోవచ్చు sin square ప్లేస్లో. So we have to write t square in sin square theta place. Now sin theta into 1 minus t square d theta dt, not d theta, this is dt. Here cos square means 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square means we have put t square, so I have written 1 minus t square dt. Here sin power 5 theta, sin power 5 theta. Here sin we have put t is equals to sin theta. T is equals to sin theta అనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ t power 5 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు into 1 minus t square d theta. This t power 5 multiplying these two numbers 1 minus t square, so how to multiply t power 5 into 1 t power 5. Here plus into minus t power 5 into t square, t power 5 into t square dt. This is again in the form of a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. ఇది మనకి ఈ ఫార్ములా ఉంది. a here also a means tt, here a means here t, m n, m is 5, n is 2, here changing, so m n, base are equal, tt, powers are changing, so m n, a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. So we have to add these two powers, 2 power 5 minus t power 5 plus 2 dt, integral t power 5 minus 5 plus 2 t power 7 dt. Now I have to integrate these two terms. This is two terms, minus అదే మైనస్ అవతల సైడ్ ఉండే అది ఒక టర్ము, మైనస్ అవతల సైడ్ ఉంది ఒక టర్మ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ టూ టర్మ్స్. సో ఇంటిగ్రేట్ టూ టర్మ్స్, ఇంటిగ్రల్ t power 5 dt minus integral t power 7 dt. This is in the form of a power n. Integral a power n is equals to a power n plus 1 by n plus 1. A power n plus 1 by a power n plus 1 by a power n. The formula integral a power n. This is in the form of integral a power n. So a means t, 5 means n. So we have to write in this form t power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 minus, this is all in the form of a power n. Integral a power n is equals to a power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So I have to write this t power 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1. We have to eliminate these two, dt and integral. Why? Because we are doing integration on both sides. ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేసేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఇంటిగ్రల్ సమ్లో పోద్ది, dt సమ్లో పోద్ది. సో t power 5 plus 1 means 6. t power 6 by 5 plus 1 means 6 minus t power 7 plus 1 means t power 8 by 7 plus 1 means 8. We have put that t is equals to sin theta. So we have to write sin theta in t place. So here t means sin theta. Sin power 6 theta by 6 minus sin power 8 theta by 8. We have to write plus c. Why? Because here a power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is the formula. So I have to write plus c at the end of the integration. Integration అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ చేసాం. So here also plus c. This is the answer for that question. I think you don't have any doubts from this sum. If you have any doubts, please comment on the below this video and subscribe my channel and and give me interest to do more videos for you. Thank you.